Hi guys, how's everyone doing today? Hope everyone's having a good day out there. So I just want to bring you something else I just picked up for the CRV that'll work on any vehicle, helps protect part of the car, and also add some security to it as well. So let me go ahead and share what I just picked up. So I just picked up a set of these license plate frames from Trunknets. They have a lot of different varieties depending on what you're looking for, but these ones come with this clear dome cover that'll protect your license plate and also prevent people from stealing your registration stickers. And they come with this black frame, so it's a nice clean simple look, because I'm going to start blacking things out on this. It'll go with the wheels and all that kind of stuff when I eventually do it. But pretty straightforward. It'll fit in these the frame covers or the frame holders that Honda has. And like I said, the dome will give it that protection, but you want to check and make sure that they're legal in your area, because sometimes any kind of cover is illegal, so you want to double check that before using them. So let me go ahead and put it on. I'll show exactly how it looks. So here it is. This is with their frame and with the cover. And as you can see, you can't really tell by looking at it, but it has a slight dome effect to it. I'll see if I can get a better angle on it. But it fits right inside their frame they give you. They give you the screw covers, new screws, all that kind of stuff that you need. You can kind of see it there. So I really like this if you have personalized plates, because if you run a personalized plate on the front of your car and you drive a lot of highway, it will chip it up to pieces, and then you have to buy a new one for 40 bucks. So this will definitely protect that. And like I said, for the rear, nobody can get to your registration stickers, which is kind of a huge thing that people steal them around here. So then here's the rear one I put on. Real clean look, and it's 100% crystal clear. There's no tint to it, so you should be fine. But if you can see the rays on it, I would say maybe a ½ inch. Real nice. And it's not going to be watertight, so when you wash your car and water gets behind it, it will evaporate out as well. So it's one thing, when you wash it, you'll get water behind it, but it'll dry out and you won't have a problem with that. So just something very simple. Like I said, it helps protect your car. So when I black these, I'm going to black the emblems out. I like the black frame, just a clean look. I'm going to black this H emblem out too, so it'll kind of flow with this. But for now, I'll just start with this black frame. But again, if you guys are looking for something that'll protect your plates that you pay for, prevent your registration stickers from getting stolen, definitely check them out. I'll put a link in the description. It's not expensive, it's very cheap and subtle, and it looks clean on the vehicle as well. So again, I just wanted to share that with you guys. Hope everyone's having a great day out there, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.